welcome back to Liv Laughs. My name is Liv.
And my name is Fufu.
Today we have a big surprise.
A giant box of Orb Slime.
Now this looks entertaining.
Oh, I'm gonna squish it.
9 slimes in one. That's pretty cool. Let's see what they are. It has a beautiful selection of 9 slimes in total.
And I hope they're smelling too.
Well, it is called the Scent Collection. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and also comment down below.
Comment which slime is your favorite. Which way?
I think we should open it this way. This is a more dramatic opening. There we go. Let's get these slimies out.
Open the box.
Whoa, that's a lot of slime.
Give that thing.
Okay, so first we have the Fluffamingo.
And next we have banana orb.
This looks pretty cool. Banana orb slimy. Okay.
Then we have pineapple orb slime. I call it slimy because it's
So slimy.
and
All of them say slimy. Who cares?
lemon lime slime.
That's pretty cool.
And strawberry slimy people.
Ooh, I wonder what this one smells like.
And this fluffy mango.
Mango? Oh, I never saw a purple mango, but that's interesting. Let's keep going.
And marshmallow.
Marshmallow. I would love to open that next.
Bubble gum. Bubbles, bubbles, bubble gum. Bubbles, bubbles, bubble gum.
I hope it smells like real bubble gum.
And the last one.
I'm a fan of it.
It's savory. I haven't tried it yet. Green apple.
Ooh, well, the color is totally great. So guys, now that we have all of the slime on the table, let's try out the first one, which is
I want
the Fluffamingo.
I want to feel it.
Ice
I
cream.
want to feel it.
Look at that.
Oh gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh
It
gosh.
smells so good.
It's not.
It's strawberry scented slimy. So this is a slime. It's extremely buttery and
I want
soft.
to feel that, but my sister doesn't let me. Oh, there you go. My stretchy. Oh no. It went on my arm, people.
The good thing is that it doesn't stick right away when it gets onto you. So, now that.
How did you know that? And now we have this
Banana slime.
Ooh, it's not bad.
No, it actually is stretchy. It is pearly.
Liv, you gotta smell it.
It's a very interesting flavor, but I think it is amazing. And let's see if it farts. Ooh, somebody has been eating a lot of beans today. Not anymore. Oh,
Wait.
there it is.
I wish I could make it like a bubble with it, like a straw, and then put a bubble with it.
Yeah, for the other videos.
Give us a thumbs up if you want to see in our next video for us to blow bubbles with our slime.
That would be so cool.
Yeah.
Let's put the slime back in.
I want to see this orange beauty, but it doesn't really look like pineapple because it's orange. It smells actually like
Ooh, can I smell?
I love it. What if it was dark yellow, but not like this one?
Now this is a good slime. Let's see if this one farts like the banana. Ooh, this guy.
Excuse you!
This guy ate way too much beans this morning. Whoa!
Next! It says lemon lime. Why would lemon be, well, green?
It's lime. Lime's green, right?
It just smells like normal orbs. I feel like there's a hair inside
What? It's brand new. Why would I have a hair? This one is so stretchy. You can even do this. You can try.
Everybody could do that with slime, can you?
I don't think she can. strawberry orb one. Does it smell good? Let me see. I'm gonna tell you this. Smells very good. I love the scent. But I think this slime has a better smell of strawberry than this one, because this one's a bit different, you know? So I think this one is extra pearly and gooey, and I think it's
Okay, next! Stop farting, people!
Next one?
Mango.
Mango.
Which looks like grape.
Let's see if it even is good.
Smells a lot like grape.
Can I smell?
It's really buttery.
That's why it's called fluff buttery. Extremely pokey and so satisfying.
Yeah.
And it's like not sticky at all.
And my sister isn't letting me try another one.
And that, Monsieur and Madame, is your slimy.
Thank you. Okay, I'm done with this.
Okay, we're on to the next one, which is...
It's hard. It's hard. I can't put it back in.
Okay, the next one is marshmallow. Blue marshmallow. I think I once ate a blue marshmallow. Maybe it's tasty, maybe it's not.
I think I once ate a giant blue marshmallow. That's what I thought.
Okay, so me and Fufu split it in half so that we have the equal amount while we do this video. So now we're gonna smell it and test if it's good.
It's really good, but
Wow.
it smells like caramel.
It's just like marshmallow. Okay, on to the next one.
You know what I think about this one?
Bubblegum.
This one might be my favorite. I love it.
Mine too. I really hope it smells like bubblegum. Because if it does...
Even the tap smells like bubblegum. Let me take this baby out. Whoa!
Can I smell it,
I'm
please,
gonna
please, please?
split in half. Two.
This is a dream come true with slime.
I made a llama.
Okay, let's move on. So this slime is pink, just like bubblegum. Duh. And it is so
Doesn't
smelly.
it feel like bubblegum? It feels more like, well, it looks like bubblegum, but it doesn't feel like bubblegum. Look, someone's gonna chew it. Ew. I'm gonna put it in my mouth. Tasty. It doesn't really smell like green apple. In my opinion, it really doesn't smell.
I never smelled it, so let's test it out now.
It's really.
I think this one's my favorite out of all of these because it smells so good. I love the texture.
It's sticky.
It's the stickiest too. It is so good. So this is extremely stretchy.
It's a rope. Let's go.
Jump rope.
It's gonna get on my hair.
Did you ever hear of never-ending string? Well, it's my new invention.
Actually, but I made it up, please.
Okay, so I think we're done with the green one, and we're done showing all these beautiful slimes. We laid up all of the slimes, and now it's time to think about which one was our favorite. So, Fufu, which one was your favorite out of all of them? This one? Why?
Because it's so good. Now I can't do never-ending string.
And my favorite, obviously, would be this one. I obviously love the Fluffamingo because it smells so good. It has the most pretty color I've ever seen. And it's so nice and stretchy.
I'm
Perfect.
gonna use the blue one, people. Look, first I'm gonna do this. Get apart. I'm gonna roll it. I'm gonna roll my...
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to hit that
You like my
like button. And remember to follow us or subscribe.
Hello, people.
And remember
Hey,
to leave some comments down below.
Bye. Bye. Slime beard.